Okay, ready? Belly too. Face underwater. Instead, now you gotta jump in it like a little baby.
Oh no. What? Oh! I think there's shit in this.
I wonder why.
Shut up.
People, go swim in the river again.
Down there?
Yeah, the river.
Swim upstream. Let's go watch
Swim
him.
upstream like a salmon.
You have to go back where you were born.
Swim, people, swim.
Swim like a fishy.
I think my contact just fell out.
Really?
Oh no, something. I want.
Bebo!
People, we have to go find the biggest puddle to throw you in.
Yes.
Let's go down there.
Throw me in a.
So we have to find you a puddle like this deep to throw you in it.
Yeah.
This deep?
Yeah. Let's go throw him in the river.
Yeah, the river's probably high as shit.
Probably like up.
It could be like the perfect time, like tomorrow would be the perfect time to jump into the silver spring.
You gonna do it?